welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done one. Not that I haven't gotten them. I have, just they'd piled up for a little bit and then I couldn't figure out which one went with which month. So I had to dig back through my emails and compare what was in the emails with what was in them and finally label them to figure out which box was which. So this is most definitely the March one. Anyway, so in here we've got our little booklet, and the note from it reads, "Full refresh. Spring is all about renewal, and if we have ever needed it, this is the time. We may be outfitted in face coverings again this year, but there's still something joyful about and optimistic about the first crocuses coming through. In the spirit of beginning anew, we stocked your March box." Apparently all I had to do was read the little booklet. Your March box with products that will bring a breath of fresh air to your routine. There's a radiance-making serum from 111 Skin, a brightening eye mask by Mud Masky, and a pink tulip-tinted lip balm from Pixie that's as cheery as a bouquet of the real deal, a precursor to brighter days ahead. Okay, so first things first. Let's see here. Is this... I don't know if this is full-sized or not. I want to say it is, but, not sure. I mean, it's pretty big. Might be. But yeah, so it's the 111 Skin Brightening Booster. Vitamin C is a star of my skincare routine. Not only does it treat the signs of existing damage like fine lines and dark spots, but because it's an antioxidant, it also proactively protects skin from environmental stressors. The ingredient is such a powerhouse that I've often overlooked the fact that most vitamin C serums are sticky, smelly, and tinted, leaving a veil of orange across my fair skin. Have I just been really lucky that I haven't really had that experience with them? 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster is none of those things. The crystal clear formula has no discernible smell and absorbs quickly and easily. Because I'm eager to treat some of the hyperpigmentation I developed last summer, I've been using it straight out of the dropper, but you can also mix a few drops into your moisturizer. Price for this is $155. Fuck. Like, I'll enjoy this one, but goddamn, I am not paying $155 for a single product of anything. Thank you very much. I'm a cheap bitch. Okay, so the next two items go together. We have this little Ico sharpener, which is super duper cute, and it's the Ico Double Act Shadow Stick. So yeah, it's two different shades. So price $25. I don't know if that's for the pencil, for the sharpener, or for both together. I don't freaking know. But anyway, yes, shadow stick. How do you make a smoky eye look naturally messed up as opposed to, well, a train wreck? Oh my god, me. This multitasking pencil is an excellent start. On one end, you'll find dusk, a deep chocolatey warm brown, and on the other, a warm bronzy brown called Dawn. While each looks great worn alone as a liner, these creamy, easily blendable shades really shine when paired together. I blend Dawn all over my lids, then concentrate dusk in the outer corners, working it into my lower lash line about 3/4 of the way in for that quintessentially grungy look. Let's take a look. So Dawn looks like, oh, this is a fat-ass stick. No wonder they had to include a sharpener for that, because most sharpeners don't go that fat. No, that's the darker one. Okay. This could be fun. Could be terrifying. Not entirely sure which, but I'll give it a go. I don't give a shit. Okay. Next one in here. Where is it? Yeah, this is definitely a sample size of this one. But this is by B. Glen, and it's a clay wash mild facial cleanser. The natural clay in this creamy formula acts like a vacuum for impurities and excess sebum, making it extremely effective for those who produce a lot of oil and or wear lots of makeup. I've found that it's great at taking off a full face of foundation. It's also gentle enough for dry or combination skin like mine. The blend of hydrating hyaluronic acid, barrier-strengthening squalane, and smoothing chamomile extract leaves my skin feeling softer and has made this non-foaming cleanser one of my bathroom shelf staples. And it's $44 for the full size. Sounds good anyway. Next we've got... Ooh, yes. This I know is full size, and I'm very excited about it. And these retail for $14. This is the Pixie Beauty Lip Glow in Ruby. So, my work from home routine is extremely minimal for a person who typically leaves the house with random shapes or animals painted around her eyes. Yes! Before hopping on Zoom, I usually tie my hair up into a messy bun and swipe on Pixie Beauty Lip Glow. The barely there color with a refreshing minty scent and smoothing shea butter is my favorite way to look like a professional businesswoman even when I have nothing else on but glasses and a concert tee. The color has a lovely My Lips But Better hue that lasts all day, brings out the glow in my cheeks, and helps me look more awake. I'm radiant but casually cool. I don't even have to put on mascara or a real shirt. I love it. Okay, so that goes over here because it's a lip product. Next, we have... This is a sample size, but still a decent size. Full size, this would be $24, but it's the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream. And the dude reviewing it totally looks like Perez Hilton, just saying. I'll show you. He looks like Perez, but skinnier. Anyway, sorry, I got distracted. So, my hands have spent the past year in a deep, smoldering depression. The body attached to them also had a rough go of it, but that's another story entirely. Every trip outside has been bookended by strenuous washing, but things are looking up now that I've got this formula with its cream cheese frosting texture. Ew. Why would you word it that way? Ew! Cream cheese frosting texture that sinks into and soothes hand cracks. A single application lasts for hours, and I love that it contains witch hazel for when my eczema recurs. And it smells light and foresty. 2 thumbs up. I was more on board until you compared it to cream cheese frosting. What the hell, sir? No, don't do that. Okay. And last, we have the Mud Masky Serum Infused Eye Mask. And I believe this is full size, especially for an eye mask. Holy shit. $56 for this guy. $56! Anyway, I have naturally dark circles under my eyes, so I always want to make sure that part of my mug is well taken care of. This under eye mask, a thin, runny gel, feels cooling as you tap it on. I rinsed it off after the recommended 8 minutes and noticed that my eyes were less puffy and my dark circles didn't seem as prominent. Plus, the formula contains goji berry extract, and berries are our gift from Mother Nature, says dermatologist Mona Gahara. They are little antioxidant powerhouses that gobble up free radicals that wreak havoc, or cosmetic havoc on the skin. Well, that, as, even though they're a little lighter right now, I could definitely always use all the help I can get with, so definitely happy with that. Honestly, everything in this one was pretty much a winner, even if the one to get compared to nasty cream cheese frosting. Like, can we not? Anyway, so that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What are you the most excited to see me review first? Do you have any of these? What do you think of them? Good, bad, or otherwise? Let me know that, as well as anything down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye!